To us and getting us the latest on the situation in Nepal. Utpal Mishra there explained to us there were two powerful earthquakes that hit Nepal, 7.4 and 7.1, 7.4 near the Everest base camp, 7.1 in Kodari, then another aftershock of 6.2. Now we're also being told there was another powerful earthquake which took place around the same time in Afghanistan, measuring 6.9 on the Richter scale. Mr. Hamid is with us on the phone line. Sir, can you explain to us what exactly is happening there? What was the epicenter? What more can you tell us about this earthquake that hit Afghanistan around the same time as the Nepal quake?
Yeah, thank you very much for your question. So actually in Kabul, we are staying in Kabul. In Kabul, we didn't feel any shock of the earthquake. So right now we are collecting information about the earthquake affected areas in Afghanistan. So actually you know that in Afghanistan there are some problems in the institution, and we don't know right now about the epicenter of the earthquake. So after getting information we can share all the information with you, but currently in Kabul we didn't feel any shock of the earthquake which was occurred around 1 hour before.
Mr. Hamid, you're telling us that the jolts, the tremors from the earthquake that hit Afghanistan weren't really felt in Kabul?
So no, actually in Kabul, so actually we have already told you that we didn't feel any shock of earthquake in Kabul. So right now we are collecting information about the earthquake affected areas. So far we didn't get any information about the casualties and possible casualties and damages of the earthquake.
Explaining to us how information is not as easily available in Afghanistan because of some procedural blocks, but he's saying that they are trying to collate information and find out where exactly the epicenter of this earthquake was. Now pictures on your screens are pictures that we're getting in from Nepal. At the center are pictures from the Tribhuvan airport from Kathmandu. We got an update on the situation in Nepal. There were two powerful earthquakes felt in the Himalayan country today at about 12 in the afternoon. One measuring 7.4 on the Richter scale was experienced at the base, whose epicenter was at the base camp of Mount Everest. Another earthquake measuring 7.1 on the Richter scale, epicenter Kodari. This was followed by powerful aftershocks measuring 6.2 on the Richter scale.